Greetings, tea enthusiasts, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special treat for you as we explore the incredible health benefits of a lesser-known but mighty beverage, clove tea. Cloves, those aromatic spice buds, aren't just for cooking, they make a fantastic cup of tea with remarkable health benefits. Before we delve into this aromatic journey, remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more enlightening content. And if you're a clove tea fan or have questions, share your thoughts in the comments below. Now let's dive in. 1. Digestive comfort. Let's kick off with one of clove tea's superpowers. It's a digestive dynamo. Cloves can soothe indigestion, alleviate gas, and even ease nausea. Sipping on clove tea after a meal can help you feel more comfortable and satisfied. 2. Immune system support. Clove tea is like a protective shield for your immune system. These little spice buds are packed with antioxidants, which can boost your body's defenses against infections and illnesses. 3. Pain relief. Clove tea contains compounds like eugenol, which possess natural analgesic properties. It can help alleviate various types of pain, including headaches and toothaches. It's a natural remedy for those times when you need relief. 4. Respiratory health. If you're looking to support your respiratory health, clove tea is a great choice. It can help ease coughs, congestion, and even asthma symptoms, thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. 5. Blood sugar management. Clove tea may assist in regulating blood sugar levels. Studies suggest that it can improve insulin sensitivity, making it a valuable addition to the diet for those with diabetes. 6. Oral health improvement. Clove tea can work wonders for your oral health. It has natural antibacterial properties that can help combat bad breath, toothaches, and gum infections. Swishing a cooled cup of clove tea in your mouth can provide relief and promote better oral hygiene. 7. Anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammation is at the root of many health issues. Clove tea contains compounds that possess anti-inflammatory properties, making it potentially helpful for conditions like arthritis and muscle pain. It can reduce inflammation, providing comfort and relief. 8. Rich in antioxidants. Clove tea is a powerhouse of antioxidants, including flavonoids and phenolic compounds. These antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals in your body, protecting your cells from oxidative stress and supporting overall health. 9. Skin health enhancement. The benefits of cloves extend to your skin as well. Clove tea's antimicrobial properties can help combat acne and skin infections. You can even use cooled clove tea as a toner to refresh and cleanse your skin. 10. Stress reduction and relaxation. Last but not least, clove tea can be a soothing elixir for stress reduction and relaxation. Its warm, aromatic qualities make it a perfect choice for winding down after a long day. The act of sipping a comforting cup of clove tea can have calming effects on your mind and body. Cautions. While clove tea offers numerous health benefits, it's essential to mention a few precautions. Clove tea can be quite potent, so if you're pregnant or nursing, it's advisable to consult your healthcare provider before including it in your routine. Additionally, if you're on blood-thinning medications or have a bleeding disorder, use clove tea cautiously, as it may enhance the effects of these medications. How to prepare clove tea at home. Now, let's talk about how to prepare clove tea at home. It's a straightforward process. Begin by bringing a cup of water to a boil. Add about 2 to 3 whole cloves or a teaspoon of ground cloves to the boiling water. Let it simmer for around 10 minutes, allowing the flavors to infuse. Strain the tea into a cup, and if desired, you can add a touch of honey or lemon for extra flavor. Remember, a little goes a long way with cloves, they have a robust taste. Conclusion. In conclusion, clove tea is a hidden gem in the world of beverages, offering a treasure trove of health benefits. If you found this video enlightening, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more empowering content. Your health and well-being matter to us. Share your thoughts or your experiences with clove tea in the comments below, and let's continue this journey to better health together. Thank you for joining us today. Your support keeps us motivated. If you have personal experiences or insights regarding clove tea and its health benefits, please share them in the comments. Your wisdom might inspire others. If you would like to learn more about the incredible benefits of eating avocado, please watch the video displayed on the screen now. Remember, nature has so much to offer in the form of herbal teas like clove tea. Stay healthy, stay informed, and we'll catch you in our next video.